Hi, Ray Cassidy here, and I just want to show you a nice little addition that's been made available on your Google business profiles in the last fortnight, I think. Okay, we'll use an example from the Stannix Community Association. It's one of the profiles I helped to run, and a little plug for them really, because on the 12th, next Friday, we've got a small event coming up where one of our volunteers has been working with the Uncovering Roman Carlisle archaeological dig down at the Carlisle Cricket Ground over the summer and part of the autumn. And she's managed to persuade a couple of the archaeologists to come up and show us some of the discoveries they've made right on our doorstep. The community centre itself sits right on top of Petriana, the Roman fort. So God knows what's underneath us, but we'll get the gist of what they found at the cricket club with this. But the main gist of this video is just to very quickly highlight the fact that you can now schedule posts on your Google business profile. So what do you need to do? Go to the posts icon, clonk on there, and you get the little blue button to add a post. So whack that one. And you've got three options. You can give updates about your services and products. You can highlight special offers, or in our case, we're going to go for an event. We need to fill in these boxes. I'll pause the video while I do the boring bits. Once you've got all the basic info in there, make sure your spelling's okay. I'm not sure what artifacts are. Artifacts of Carlisle, Uncovering Roman Carlisle, that all looks hunky-dory. Description, and probably better make sure people are aware of the price. A very peculiar number due to the Eventbrite charges. Let people know where to click. And as we've told them where to click, we need an action button so people can book it. And you'll be pleased to know there's a book button on there. Chuck your booking link in this one, and as I mentioned before, it is an Eventbrite link. And obviously the whole point of this was just this little feature here. You can now schedule the post to go out at a time of your choosing. So you can sort of schedule up to a month in advance, I suppose, if you're well organized. So we go there. This is going out tomorrow morning. It's just like a final little nudge. I'll probably send it out about 8 o'clock, I think. That should be near enough, I think. So once you're content that your scheduling and your information are in order, click on post, and there it is, scheduled for tomorrow morning. You can't see the time, but it will go out around about 8 o'clock. And there you go. And if you've got any interest at all in Roman artifacts and Roman Carlisle and its history, then feel free to pop along next Friday, the 12th of December at 6:30. You'd be more than welcome. Ta-ra for now.